Greetings, digital dreamers. Here's your go-to guide for accessing Microsoft Office 365 within Launchpad.
To begin, start by navigating to the DeKalb County School District's website at www.dekalbschoolsga.org. Once you've reached the district's website, scroll down to the bottom until you locate the orange rocket ship Launchpad, which will directly link you to Clever. Here, you will then select Login with Active Directory. You will now be required to insert your username and password. Once logged into the Clever portal, you will then scroll down until you locate the productivity tools. Here, you will find Office 365 for DeKalb County School District students. Select the icon to then be logged into Office 365. And there you have it. You're now logged in to your Office 365. Enjoy!
And there you have it. Feel free to learn more from our other instructional videos below. Have a great day, DeKalb.